Place the top part of the head onto a foam sheet and trace around the jaw. Make the jaw 1/4 of an inch bigger. Now cut it out. Hot glue it onto another foam sheet and cut around it. Now trim it to make a smooth shape. Now twist up some wires and put them into the jaw to make the bend shape. Make a paper stencil for the ears. Trace it twice onto a foam sheet. Now cut them out. Now trim them to make a smoother shape. Now twist up some wire. Make a slit on the back of each ear. Now hot glue a wire into each ear. This is what it looks like so far. Stay tuned for part 3 where I'll be attaching the jaw and adding fabric to the mask. Thanks for watching, peace!